All right, guys, we've got the Frienda store 12-piece microfiber pouch. These are microfiber cases for glasses and sunglasses. Let's go ahead and take them all out. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 in that royal blue. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4 in black, and then we've got 4 in that light gray. Great colors. Obviously, microfiber, super, just really nice. Nicer than maybe some of the microfiber cases I've gotten with some of my maybe, cheaper glasses. And then you also have a couple of microfiber cloths as well. Here's one of them, just so you can see. So great for cleaning the glasses, and then also great for protecting them. In fact, just to show you, let's go ahead, just throw them in. There you go. Boom. You're protected. They're not going to get scratched. And also, you can easily clean them with the pouches themselves. So I think these are super useful, especially like, you can get glasses everywhere. Like Amazon, you can just buy glasses all day long for really good prices. So you never know when you're going to need another case. You never know when you might lose your other one. I think these are worth having on hand, especially when I look at the number on the product page. It makes it an incredible value. It's very easy to understand why everyone's buying this in droves.